Good morning, students. See, in the last class, I have discussed till question number 10 of exercise 4.1. I did question number 9. After that, I told you to do question number 10. Now, today I shall discuss question number 11 first. You see the question. What is the question here? 1 by x minus 2 plus 1 by x plus 5 equal to 1 by x minus 6. So this sum, you see the pattern. This sum is not very difficult sum because this is a general sum. Okay, here you don't need to apply anything new and no new rules to be applied here. So in general you can do the sums. You just take the LCM, do the cross multiplications, you will get the answer. So let us take the cross multiplication. LCM first. This is x minus 2, x plus 5, x plus 5 plus x minus 2 equal to 1 by x minus 6. Okay, so this is twice x plus minus 5 minus 2 is 3, so this is twice x plus 3, and let us multiply the terms in the denominator. So this is x into x square minus twice x plus 5x, so this is 3x minus 10 equal to 1 by x minus 6. Again you do the cross multiplication. So this is twice x plus 3 into x minus 6 equal to x square plus 3x minus 10. Now let us multiply the terms and apply the formula. This is equal to twice x square, twice x into x, twice x square. Then this is 6 to the 12 minus 12x plus 3x minus 18 equal to x square plus 3x minus 10. Twice x square minus x, if we shift it is minus x square minus 12x plus 3x is minus 9x, and if we shift this 3x it is minus 3x minus 18 plus 10 equal to 0. So this is twice x square minus x square is x square minus 12x minus 18 equal to 0. Now see, here if you follow the sum, here we cannot apply middle term factor. So we have to apply the formula. So let us apply the formula and find the value of x. So if we apply formula, what we shall get? So x equal to minus b, what is the value of b? Minus 12 plus minus b square minus 12 whole square minus 4 into a into minus 8 by twice 2 into 1. So what we should get here? Minus minus plus, so this is plus 12 plus minus 144 4 8 32 by 2. So how much you are getting? This is 2, 12 plus minus 144, 4 plus 2 6, 4 plus 3 12, 4 plus 2 7, 176. So the value is 12 plus minus root over 176 by 2. Now again if we further simplify this part, you see what we shall get here. This is 12 plus minus. If we find the factors of 176, what we shall get here? 2, 8, 8. This is 2, 44. Again you can divide it by 2, so this is 22. This is 11. So this is 2 to the 4, 2 to the 8 to the 8. 16 into 11 is 176. So we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 by 2. So this is 12 plus minus. If this 2 comes here, this is 2 and from here 2 will come. So this is 4 root over 11 by 2. Let us take 2 common and cancel it. 2 is common, so this is 6 plus minus 2 root over 11 by 2. So these are the two values of x. Okay, so you can do the sum in a very simple way. Now let us move to the next sum, and this sum is a bit different, though the rule is known to you. So let us move to the next sum. You see what is the next question here? 1 by question number 12. 1 by x square plus 5x plus 8, x square plus 5x plus 8 equal to 1 by x square plus 5x 6x x square plus 6x plus 5 equal to 1 by x square plus 6x plus 9, x square plus 6x plus 9. So see, if you follow the sum, here again we can apply the same technique which we applied in the previous sums. What is the technique? Because there is a common term in each part. And what is the common term? The common term is x square plus 6x. So let us consider this x square plus 6x as a or y as usual. Okay, so let x square plus 6x, you can consider y also, you can consider a also. So let us consider this to be a. So if we put the values, this is 1, this part we have considered as a. So this is a plus 8 plus this is 1 by 8 plus 5 equal to this is 1 by 8 plus 9. Now the sum, this sum has become usual sum because directly you can take the LCMs and you can find the value of a. After finding the value of a, you can find the value of x also. So what we shall get here if we take the LCM? What is the LCM? 8 plus 8 into 8 plus 5. 8 plus 8 into 8 plus 5. So this is 8 plus 5, just like the previous sum. 8 plus 5, 8 plus 8 equal to 1 by 8 plus 9. So this is twice a plus 13 by, if you multiply this one, a into a is square plus 8a plus 5a 13a plus 40 equal to 1 by 8 plus 9. Okay, again we shall cross multiply here and we shall find the value of a. So this is 8 plus 9 this is 8 plus 9 into twice a plus 3 twice a plus 13 equal to a square plus 13a plus 40. Let us cross multiply again. Cross multiplication is not needed here. You just do the normal multiplication. So this is twice a into a, that is twice a square. This is 13a plus 18a, 31a. This is 13 into 9. 13 into 9 is 117. 117. It will be a square plus 13a plus 40. So what shall get? 2a square. If we shift a square here, twice a square minus a square is only a square. Okay. So this is a square. Next 31a minus 13a, that is plus 18a. 170 minus 40. 7 minus 0 is 7. 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4. 7. Okay, so this is 77 equal to 0. Now let us find the value of a from here. If we find the value of a from here, we shall get the value of x after that if we put the values. Okay, so this part you do by yourself. Today let me conclude here. Thank you.